Karnataka, our land of opportunity, from Bengaluru to Belgaum, from Mangalore to Mysore. Our state is filled with students who are smart, ambitious, and are just looking for the right path. So today, let's clear the confusion. Let's talk about paramedical courses in our state, Karnataka. What they are, where to find them, and how to get started. You see, when people talk about careers in healthcare, most only think of doctors or nurses. But there's a third pillar, paramedical professionals. And Karnataka is quietly becoming a hub for training them. So here's what you need to know. Karnataka has over 200 paramedical colleges, private and government. And they're not just in Bangalore. You'll find good colleges in Devanagari, Shimoga, Hubli, Dharwad, Hassan, Tumkur, Gulbarga, and yes, right here in Sarjapur Road in Bangalore, at our very own GD Goenka Healthcare Academy. Now let's actually talk about some of these paramedical courses. Here are some of the most in-demand courses that are offered in Karnataka. Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, known as DMLT, most popular. Diploma in Radiology and Imaging Technology. Diploma in OTT, Operation Theatre Technology. Diploma in EMT, Emergency Medical Technician, once in ambulances. Number 5, Diploma in X-ray Technician, very in demand. Number 6, Diploma in Anesthesia Technology. Number 7, specialized courses, Dental, Hygiene, Ophthalmic, and Sanitary Inspector. Most of these courses are diploma courses. That's why they're only 1.5 to 2 years long. You can join them after finishing your 10th or 12th, depending on the course. And the best part, there is no need for competitive exams like NEET or KCET. Also, these courses are much more affordable than MBBS or BSc nursing. Government colleges can charge 10 to 30,000 rupees a month. Private colleges can charge 40,000 to 1.5 lakh rupees each month, depending on the college. Now let's talk about a big problem, the job market. Karnataka has some of the best hospitals and labs in our country. Places like Narayana, Apollo, BGS, Columbia Asia, Foster. These hospitals are always looking for the best of best trained in the paramedical field. You can finish your course and you'll be ready to work in such hospitals, labs, diagnostic centers, and even clinics. Also abroad, out of India, if that's your dream. If you want to study further, you can. Most diploma holders do a healthcare management course. So if you're sitting there wondering, is there a career for me in Karnataka in healthcare which is respected and future ready? This is your sign. Paramedic is not about plan B, but it's about the smart plan A. And if you're ready to take this step, visit us at GD Goenka Healthcare Academy, Sarjapur Road. We're here to guide you, mentor you, and help you. Become the healthcare professional your town and your family can be proud of. Call us now on the number below and we'll see you soon. Let's get cooking.